Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of app development with Cordova, and in this class I will be showing you guys how to generate key for your app. And in order to generate the key we will be making use of this command, which is step 5. And in order to generate a key for your app, we will be in need of the Java development kit, sorry. If you don't know how to uh, install the Java development kit, just go and watch the video of the Java development kit installation. You will find a link, you will find a video inside of this course only. And in order to see whether the Java has been installed properly or not, just type out Java C. And when you type out the Java C over here, you have to see some output like that of this one. If you are getting this output, that means installation is successful, and now you can proceed further. Okay, and these were the two folders which we have used in our previous tutorial. So as of now I will be removing this zip folder because currently I am not in need of it. So what I'll do is I will just go over here and let me just explain you this command. Okay, so first word is key tool. Basically we are making use of the key tool which is present inside of the Java. And then comes the little bit of space, then the hyphen gen key, which is a generate key, then space, then the hyphen v, then the space hyphen key store, because we are basically generating the key store or key for our app. Then this is the after that there is a space, then this is the name of your app. Okay, so what you can do is you can give the name of your app, whatever app that you are designing. Okay, so over here I can give the name of the area, right? I will copy this and I will paste it over here. Okay, and area dot key store hyphen alias. So basically this is tells the what is the alias name of your app. So over here you can give the name of your alias name of your app. I will give the area, right? Then the space hyphen KEYALG, which is a key algorithm, and algorithm which we are using is RSA algorithm. Then the space hyphen key size, and space, then the 2048, which is basically the key size, then the space hyphen validity, and we are giving the value as a 10,000. Okay, so this is how we will be generating the key. So now what I'll do is I will copy this command and I will come over here. I will say cd desktop. If you want, you can generate the key on the desktop, or you can generate the key inside of this your directory. Okay, so I will be going inside of my directory. I will say cd akshay, and now I am inside of this directory. And then I will paste that command over here, and I will say I will hit enter key. Just wait for a while. So as of now it is asking me for the key store password. You can keep whatever password that you want. Let me just say password is 123456. Okay, I will say 123456. Hit enter key. You won't see the password appearing over here. 123456. Just keep some difficult password. Okay, so over here you have to type out your first name and the last name. Then you have to type out the name of your organization. Okay, so I will say Divergent, name of your organization. Okay, so after that you have to give the name of your city or your location. Okay, so I will say Panjim. Then I'm from Goa. Then you have to type out the first two letters of your country. I am so from India, so I will say IN. And it will ask you whether all this data is correct or not. If yes, then you have to say yes, and if there are some mistakes, then you just type out NO. Then you have to fill out all these details over again. Okay, and over again you have to type out the password. I will say 123456. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now let me just minimize all these things. I will go inside of my folder over here, and as can be seen, area dot key store. This is my key store file. Now what I'll do is I will go to my build.phonegap.com, this website. Then I will upload my code over again. Okay, so I will be in need of this file. I have to upload my code over again. This is my zip file. You can even make the zip file which was previously deleted by me. It is not that key store file have to be inside of this only. There is no restriction as such. Okay, so this basically the this signing off app is important because it will identify this as your app. As long as your app is not signed, you cannot upload it on the Play Store or any other app store. Okay, so signing your app is important, and you can sign your app with the help of this key tool, and by generating the key for your app and signing it. I will show you how to sign your app. So let me just see whether the zip file has been okay. Zip file is ready. Now I will upload this zip file over here. I will say update code. I will choose the file from the desktop, and I will say upload, and let's just wait for a while. It might take around 2 minutes for file to get uploaded. Then I will show you the further process how to carry out this. Okay, so let's just wait for a while. I will pause this video.